Hey everyone! If The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered isn't launching on your PC, here are some quick fixes that usually work. Fix 1. Verify game files. If you're on Steam or Epic Games, go to your game library, right-click the game, choose Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will repair any missing or broken files. Fix 2. Run as administrator. Right-click the game's shortcut or .exe file. Choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as administrator. Then hit Apply and OK. Fix 3. Update your GPU drivers. Go to your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Restart your PC after installing. Fix 4. Disable background apps. Apps like Overlays, Discord, Steam, NVIDIA, or antivirus software can block game launch. Try closing them and relaunching the game. Optional fix: reinstall the game. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall the game completely. That's it. Try these one by one and your game should start working. If this helped, consider subscribing for more fast fixes. Thanks for watching.